Hi everyone, welcome to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, with today's celebration of the entire month. This is the month of Valentine's, and this is the month of the National Margarita. And because of that, production and I will decide to just feature all the possibilities that we can make with the agave spirit, tequila and mezcal. So please stay here with us, and let me show you how we're going to be pouring the red blood orange margarita. All right, so I was, like I said, I was introducing you guys this amazing tequila. This is Vuelo del Aviador. This one in particular, this is the Plata, two times gold award, the San Francisco Spirits Competition. And if you don't believe me, don't forget to check just to click on the link below in all the comments. And you will have actually, it will guide you to the site of this amazing tequila, and you will get to see it. And hopefully you will actually be able to get it and, you know, try yourself, because it is absolutely amazing. 100% handcrafted. This is a Tahona milled kind of tequila, so it is just like the spirit itself is just absolutely delicious. In this case, we're gonna be doing a beautiful and exciting margarita. Let's start by putting 2 ounces of Vuelo Plata. Let's get half of an ounce of triple sec, Contro, or whatever your orange liqueur is. Fresh squeezed red blood orange juice, 1 full ounce. Fresh squeezed lime juice, 1 full ounce. And agave nectar. Let's just go for a half of an ounce. Now, can we make a little extra twist? Sure, about it we just add 2 slices of Serrano pepper. And now, let's give it a shake. Production is like, I'm so ready for this. Let's just have like a really nice coated with tahini and salt into a bodega glass. Put some ice and pour a cocktail. For your garnish, let's make sure we have one of those Serranos. And there you have it. For that special and significant one, the red blood orange spicy margarita with Vuelo del Aviador Plata. Remember, you guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and never drink and drive. And for this month, tequila at all time.